Hello, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the beautiful 2929 Weslayan. The 2929 Weslayan. So this is a gorgeous high-rise. It's in the River Oaks area. It's very dramatic, very cool. It's got very curved lines. It's a beautiful high-rise, and we've been here one time before, but I wanted to come back and do some filming again. This is just too lovely to not really talk a lot about. It's a fun high-rise. It's in the middle of River Oaks, so you've got a great location in a very, very desirable, safe area. There's a lot that you can quickly drive to as well, all around here, so it's a fun location. Right across the street is a Devante restaurant. There's a pharmacy too, and there's just all sorts of things that are super, super close by. It's a fun looking area. You can see it, a lot of trees. It's really very, very desirable. Well, we're gonna walk in, we're gonna see a penthouse, we're gonna see the amenities again, and we're gonna see some really great features. This is a very high-end place. You're gonna see a wonderful valet service, concierge, and all of the things you would expect in a beautiful, modern, luxury high-rise. Hey, if you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a virtual tour live anytime, send me a text. I'll set that up for you, even same day, within a couple of hours.